Okay, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we have another accessory for you guys to check out today, courtesy of BassBloom. This is the Roar 3, and it has a couple of standout features, a lot of LEDs, and a waterproof build. So if it got wet, you have nothing to worry about. 20 watts of power, IPX6, like I said, water resistance, and a nice LED indicator letting you know battery life and all that. Very nice packaging, portable design, as you can tell by just how small this packaging is. It's meant to travel with you and be your ultimate music companion. And as you can see, you can even enjoy stereo sound by connecting two units together. It does have those RGB lights for your atmosphere. And again, like I said, you can take it anywhere thanks to the 20 hours of playtime and the IPX6 waterproof protection. You don't have to have any limits, like it said. I'm actually super excited about this. Obviously, the market is flooded, but this comes in at a great price point. Make sure to use that code and link down below so you can save on your purchase. Now, let's go ahead and open this baby up and take a look at what it offers. When you actually open it up and take it out of the box, you're going to see a couple of accessories here. Let's go ahead and set that out. Get the instruction manual here. You are going to have a USB-C to USB cable. It's a short one, but also auxiliary cables here. And then obviously the star of the show, the Roar 3. And just holding it, it feels very well built. Nice mesh material around the speakers. You can see the bass tubes right here. You can see where those LED lights are going to be. And you're going to have your power button, volume up and down, play, pause, lighting, equalizer, and then under here, obviously, for waterproof protection, you are going to be able to peel this up. If I had nails, it'd be easier, but you're going to be able to see. Let me actually use this to help. You're going to see all your ports down below here that we were talking about. And what's awesome is you can see you have a micro SD port, your USB Type-C charger, and that USB Type-A port, as well as that auxiliary port. So it is a nice firm cover here to make sure no water gets in those ports. And when you're ready, you're going to long press the power button, and you can see it says hi. You have those LEDs glowing right there, and now it is going to look to pair. So I'm going to go ahead, grab my iPhone here. Let's go ahead and go into Bluetooth and scroll all the way down, and we should see it pop up here momentarily. And there you go. You can see it cleared up. Roar 3 is right there. We'll go ahead and select it. You can see we're paired, 99% battery. Look at those LEDs. I'm actually going to go ahead and turn this light off really quick so you can see them a little better. We'll turn this one off as well. And it looks really, really clean. So if you're looking to set the mood, you guys know just how well LEDs help with that. And yeah, nice little lanyard loop here. Let's go ahead and play something super quick. Hopefully not copyrighted. Let's find a song here. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and play a video of mine that just went live to help eliminate any concern over copyright strikes, because we know how YouTube is. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You can see it has 360 sound. Apple released iOS 27 beta. You have your play pause button, like we said. You can see all the colors flashing. With beta set. Your EQs. New normal. You hear it saying normal. Bass mode. Bass mode. Normal. The home stretch. We're going to do just a brief overview. And then if you long press it, you can see we are back into pairing mode. Pretty simple here if you want to control. Let's go ahead and turn this back on. Take a look at this. This baby just does look very, very nice. Let me find a copyright-free song really quick. And here we go. It sounds really good, guys. I know it's hard to obviously get a sense of the sound through a video, but this feels and sounds really good. I'm going to turn it up. So yeah, you guys get the idea. Very, very nice, full sound. It actually filled up the studio very nicely. And again, the best selling point isn't just the LEDs, is that this can get saturated with water if it got caught in a rainstorm, if you're at the pool and it falls in, this is going to still keep working for you, which is a huge, huge benefit. So again, nice compact design. You can loop this around. It looks like it's actually just a shoelace, which is actually pretty cool of a design. I think it's pretty unique. You can take this off if you don't want it there, but this is going to give you 20 hours of playback, like we said, and give you the ability to take and have music wherever you go. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. If you're picking one up, again, use those affiliate links. I greatly appreciate it, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.